Welcome back to the Luvele kitchen. Today we have a healthy take on a favorite chocolate bar, the Bounty or Mound Bar for our American friends. These are great for a treat with their slightly chewy but crumbly coconut center coated in chocolate. We're making these vegan today using a vegan chocolate, but you can use any type that suits your dietary needs, or check out the blog post link below for a homemade chocolate using cacao butter. So let's make some Bounty bars. The coconut filling is easy to make by adding all of the ingredients to the Vibe blender. We'll start with half a cup of coconut cream or coconut yogurt, a quarter of a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 packed cups of shredded coconut, and finally a pinch of salt. Insert the tamper into the blender lid and secure the jug. Pulse the mixture, rotating the tamper between pulses. The aim is to have a coarse, fudge-like consistency, so you don't want to overblend the mix and lose the nice texture of the coconut. Then we'll empty our mixture into a small lined tin. Spread the mix to the sides nice and evenly, and then place it in the freezer to firm up for half an hour. To melt down our chocolate, place the chocolate into a glass bowl over some simmering water. Then stir your chocolate until it's completely melted. When your coconut mix is set, turn it out onto a chopping board and cut it into even squares or longer bars. If any of the mix chips off while cutting, just mold it back on with your fingers. Now we can start dipping our bars. Place 1 piece of the coconut fudge into the melted chocolate and use a fork or small tongs to turn it over so it's completely covered. Take it out and place it on some baking paper to set. Then cover the rest of your coconut squares in chocolate and allow them to set in the fridge. You can store these Bounty bars in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 10 days. The great thing about these bars is that you get to control exactly what's going into them, so you don't have to worry about all the nasties that come in store-bought bars. They taste delicious and everyone will love them. These healthier coconut Bounty bars are really simple but delicious for a treat, and they're fun to make at home. Give them a try and leave us a comment below if you enjoyed them. We have plenty more healthy whole food recipes coming your way soon, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Give this video a like and we'll see you again soon.